at 6:30.
Wow.
But I'm very fast. I reach home at 3:30 only. Can I ask you a question in private?
Right.
Can I borrow some money from you?
How much?
20 rupees?
$20. For what?
I just need to pay the taxi driver.
But the taxi minimum fare is 22.
Yeah, but I never pay anybody in full.
Happy 5th anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary. I love you.
I love you.
Oh.
You could always see through me, couldn't you?
And I always loved what I saw.
In which case you know everything. Or else you're an electronic image, externally primed. In which case I think you need to keep your mouth shut and stop irritating